So we continue with the tools. The X is for the mute. It's to mute the soundbite regions. Again, if we press M twice, you'll go into the mute mode where you can then toggle back to. If you want to toggle back to the arrow, just press A again twice. Uh, we just see how to do fades for multiple fades. If you want to create multiple fades, select all the sound bites, and then create a fade here, and you get this window, and then you press OK, then you go. But if you directly want to create a fade without the window, you just select the whole thing, and then you press Control Command F, so you get the fades. And then if you want to delete the fades, this way. uh, Another important tool is to merge the sound bites. If you want to connect all these sound bites and make it as one region, you go to audio and do merge soundbite. This is mostly useful feature, and so that you can edit it together for editing purpose. Also, one more thing with the merge soundbite is if you have any fades to this fades, any kind of editing done over the soundbite, that will get printed to the soundbite. So if we had fades here, they will be printed, and then in the final merged soundbite, you will not see the fade points. So you see the fade is created, and then it gives you the soundbite.